GoDaddy offers standard DV, domain validated, deluxe OV, and premium EV SSL certificates starting at around $70 per year, renewals cheaper. DV issues in minutes. OV/EV take 1 to 5 days with business verification. Secures one domain, or wildcard and subdomains, with 256-bit encryption and $1 million warranty. Steps to purchase and install. Log in. Visit GoDaddy.com. Sign in. My products, SSL certificates. Set up or buy new. Choose plan. Select type. DV for basic, EV for green bar. Add to cart. Checkout. Promo codes like SSL30 save 30%. Validate domain. DV, email approval. To admin@yourdomain.com or DNS-TXT record. Copy value from GoDaddy. Add in DNS settings. OV/EV, upload docs. Business license, duns, darns via portal. Generate CSR, optional. In GoDaddy, SSL, manage, generate CSR, or use server. Paste public key. Issue certificate. Validation complete. Download CRT. Key, intermediate file. Install GoDaddy hosting. Auto-install via dashboard. Other hosts. Upload via cPanel, SSL or TLS. Install certificate.